Hey guys, I just got back from Mateo's party, and we got this thing. Here he is. And I have no idea where I got this. And it's the skating ring, and I'm going to show you what I got in my party bag. Let's get down first. So, I'm going to show you what I got in my party bag. Let's get started. I already took it all out, but I'm going to open it for you now. I opened several things, though. Let's get started. Anyway. Can you hold it?
No.
Okay, I'll just hold it. So the first thing I got was this little cute thing. That's cool. So cute. It's Hello Kitty, not too bad. Sorry if it's bad lighting. It's actually pretty cute. Sorry about my bad lighting, I'm turning on the light. Okay. Now the next thing is this little Hello Kitty pen that came with a stamp, a little Hello Kitty stamp. That also came with a little paper. Now I'm going to just write something real quick. Can you hold this for 2 seconds, please? Can you hold it the whole time? Yes, thank you. Okay. Now I just do a quick bell rock. So yeah, I just came with all that. A little thing. Then I got this scratch to draw, and I'll show you what that looks like. Click. Looks like that. So I'm going to open the step real quick.
Jordy Nelson has a couple of steps on him, but that ball, as I talked about a little bit earlier, there's certain areas you just cannot miss, and you can't miss this throw behind, because it just opens the door then for Boykin to undercut it.
I'm going to try to make a Hello Kitty stuff.
And make
Oh,
the
comes up
interception
too.
as
Didn't
he was
realize.
able to. Had he been able to lay that out to the sideline, then it's a touchdown. So a tremendous takeaway by the Eagles, stopping what was an excellent drive by the Green Bay Packers. That's a 16th takeaway for Philadelphia. They had only 13 all of last year.
This one I messed up primer.
Gets away, and Nick
And
Foles
just a
is
little
out
more.
of bounds inside the 20 at the 19-yard line again.
Then I got some this. It's orange. It's sugar, but it's flavored with orange.
A big play down the middle, it wasn't there. But because of the time in the pocket, Nick Foles was able to look around and then ultimately scramble and pick up 9 yards. Matthews was looking for a flag for being held.
Then just a couple of jewels. I got these splash things, which I don't really like, but I'm not going to eat them. That's why I couldn't eat them. And they're grape flavor, but they're, I'll show you what they look like, but they're, I don't like it at all. I'll eat one. This is what it looks like. It looks like Tempo. They're kind of sour, that's what I get. It's like soda. Forget about that. Okay. Now I'll play with the lip gloss necklace and open it. I could open it last time with strawberry watermelon flavor, and then I got these little party for Mateo, which is that birthday party. That's him on a motorcycle or quad.
Dirt bike.
Yeah, dirt bike. Thanks, Dad. Then this little Hello Kitty bubbles. I have no idea why. I hate Hello Kitty, but this is really cute. And then I got these sour drops. They're so good. They're really sour, but they're really good. It's raspberry flavor.
But no challenge by the Eagles. Should have been. Then the interception and the return. No points. Packers have it down 7.
Sounds really nice.
Then I got this magnet here. I'm not going to actually open it for you. I'm just going to open it for you.
I wonder what these nuts are for.
These 3 pinks. Green, purple, and pink. This little paintbrush.
And is that the 24th Indoor Fusion. Only 4 gives you Eco-Boost fuel economy. And
Thing you can paint.
go further.
You've got to love the weekend.
The
It's like
awesome
everyone came
magnet.
together and said, if it's good, let's save it for
It's
the
like a
weekend.
chocolate.
So here's the KFC
Really?
$10 weekend bucket. 10 pieces, 10
So yeah, that's really all I got.
Just $10 every
This
Saturday.
is all I got. I just got some sour drops and
The
all
new
that
Galaxy
stuff.
Note 10.1 allows you to run
I
2
got
programs
some
simultaneously, so you can multitask like never before. It lets you check chats while you talk trade.
Mine's, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about this. Thank you.
Write down the details
In
while
there
you
is a
chat.
little Hershey bar. I don't want to
Drag
open
and
it
drop
because it looks
pictures so
really
you
cool
can
and
share
I feel like
faster.
opening it, and I don't want to eat a Hershey bar because they're not
And
really
follow the
Hershey
recipe.
bar.
We'll see you next time.
And yeah, that's really all I got. And I almost forgot to show you this.
And added value, including Samsung.
So this is a necklace that I got. It unclips too. Brian's calling me back. Okay, then here it is. It says, Mateo, happy birthday. Raceway pass. Admit 1 VIP guest. So, yeah, that's what it says. And it says the same thing to my brothers. Oops, because we were both invited. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.
Yards away. And it's still a
Bye.
7-0.